That is great. I have a Marauder wing, and you guys don't.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive.